This is Concacaf Video Signals, a Tuesday, February 17th edition. Today on Video Signals, we'll take a quick look at some beach soccer news. We'll get an update on the Concacaf Champions League, take a tour around the Confederation, and finish with the Concacaf quiz. We start with beach soccer. Mexico's national beach soccer team is expected to arrive in Costa Rica today for a series of friendly matches. The tour is part of both teams' preparations for the upcoming Concacaf Beach Soccer Championship. The series opens on Thursday in San Ramon for the first of 3 matches between the teams. On Friday, Mexico will play local club Punta Leona, while Costa Rica squares off against a Punta Arenas combination. The Ticos will face Mexico twice more, once on Saturday and then again on Sunday. In CONCACAF Champions League news, yesterday the Montreal Impact held its first training session at Olympic Stadium, which will host the historical quarterfinal game of the CONCACAF Champions League against Mexican club Santos on February 25th. With 8 days remaining to the event, the Impact also announced that it had added temporary grandstands around the field to help meet the extraordinary demand for tickets. Now let's see what's happening in the Confederation. Yesterday, Guatemala's under-17 team completed its 2-match sweep of Canada with a 1-0 win at San Miguel Patapa. Gabriel Navas scored in the 20th minute to lift his team to victory. Guatemala also beat Canada by the same 1-0 score on Saturday. The Guatemalans will continue training in South America with games against Argentina and Uruguay, and possibly some club teams. In an under-20 international friendly today, Jamaica will host Mexico in Portmore. And that completes our trip around CONCACAF. Now it is time for today's CONCACAF quiz. Yesterday, we asked if you knew how many MLS Cup titles the San Jose Earthquakes won before suspending operations in 2005. Our thanks to everyone who participated. The correct answer is 2 titles. The Earthquakes were MLS champions in 2001 and 2003 before suspending operations in 2005. The Earthquakes returned to MLS last year. Today's question brings us to an individual who has coached in MLS as well as many other places, Bora Milutinovic. Bora coached 5 teams at the World Cup Finals over his storied career. 3 of them were from CONCACAF. Can you name them? If you think you know the answer, please send an email to VideoSignals@concacaf.org before 12 p.m. New York time tomorrow. Those who answer the question correctly will have their names placed into a weekly contest, where the winner will receive a CONCACAF prize. Well, that's all for today. Please remember to check the CONCACAF website for more news and features. Thanks for joining us at Video Signals, your source for CONCACAF news.